Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to see your Roblox password, so let's get started. First, close the Roblox app or website and open your Passwords app. Many devices save app passwords automatically. You can filter the saved passwords by typing Roblox, and you should see your Roblox accounts along with their saved passwords. This is one easy way to view your password. If that does not work, try checking your browser's password manager. For example, in Google Chrome, search for Password Manager and open the first link. Here, look for your Roblox account to view the saved password. Lastly, if you still cannot find your password, open the Roblox app, click on More at the bottom right, scroll down, and click Logout. Then, select Login and tap on Forgot Password or Username. Use your email or phone number to reset the password. This method is a last resort to regain access to your account. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.